When life breaks your heart, you start to wonder if healing is even possible. But let me tell you something real. Healing is possible, even after deep loss. Job in the Bible felt his whole world change overnight. Yet he spoke honestly, and that honesty became the start of his healing. And as you walk through your own grief, remember this: your feelings are real, and there are healthy ways to cope. You can talk with a psychiatrist. You can rest your mind by watching a sports game on TV. You can invite family over for support, or you can join a grief support group so you don't carry this alone. And even though it's slow, hope does rise again, little by little. A lighter day, a soft smile, a calm moment, one step, a walk, a prayer moves you forward. Your story isn't over. Your healing is real. Remember, keep gleaming like a diamond.